Welcome back to another video. Today's video we are going to be wrapping a hood in carbon fiber, not this one. We are headed over to my buddy's place. It's about a half-hour drive. Load up the film. It's actually that film right there. So we're going to try this Vvivid out and find out how it goes. So this right here, this is triangle carbon fiber from Vvivid. This is the stuff we're going to be using today. We are going to be wrapping his cowl on this hood here and not doing crooked lines like what this is. I started getting knifeless tape laid down and realized I haven't filmed anything here yet. Braydens just been filming. So yeah, we're gonna lay down some knifeless tape where I want it to end, and then we're gonna start laying some film. This beautiful stuff right here by Vvivid. I did not think I would like this stuff when I was told I was getting it. When I first saw it online, I thought it was meh. As soon as I got it and actually looked at it, it's actually pretty sweet. The fact that it's totally different than anything.
It's way better than the actual carbon fiber.
I would argue that it's way better, but
the fact that it's different though,
yeah,
nobody's gonna have it. It's gonna be so new, which is awesome.
Yeah, it's different, and I don't think anyone else around any track here where you're bringing this car will have it. So that's cool.
We'll be asking a lot of questions.
So we're gonna just get to wrapping this thing, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. You got it? Can you grab that? Yep, and then just pull it back. Oh, over here.
Pull it up with a little stick or what?
Nope, lay it down.
Oh, that's it? This is why you're wrapping the vinyl? This is way better than other vinyl. Straight line, right? Yeah. All legal line? Yep. That was pretty straight to me. I think that looks really straight actually. Oh, you still need it?
What heat?
How's that? I'm always so scared when they're doing the right side.
Hold on, you will not rip this. Not if I do that.
Can I pull this one more or no?
Slowly lay down.
Squeegee here. Yeah, this stuff looks like it works pretty good.
Yeah, this is working really good. Oh, thanks.
Nice tattoo.
Nice clean corner. Oh, we got a little bubble in it. Look at that embossing. Oh, it's so cool. And you thought you didn't want that there.
Sometimes I don't believe you until you show me.
Check it out. Let me know, guys. What do you think? Hood's done. Got the edges all wrapped. I'll come over here and show you guys this side.
Let Tony know that Cherry Bomb sent you, and then he'll give me more discounts.
Check that out. Well, guys, let me know what you guys think of this. Go check out Braydens' version of this video if you want.
You bet.
And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this film.
I recommend Tony for all work. His wrapping is phenomenal. Not just because he's my friend, but
make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below for more future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. He's got double piece going there. I always just do single. Like he's always got to try to beat me at something. He's taller than me. He's bigger than me. He's got more muscle than me. All I can do better is rap. I'm out. Blew the breaker. Yep.
What do I need? Yeah, I found it.
It's vlogger filming vlogger.
Yeah, this is a problem.
Vlog on vlog.
Wait, I need to flip. I'm not holding a camera, I'm holding a phone.